let's go and get it.
And I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up. I'm not. I think it's hard how we always wait another day. How we watch things that kids walk away.
Okay, so finally I'm gonna unbox it, and yeah, so I ordered this from Urban Monkey. Basically, like I guess 3 days ago I've ordered it, and I'm quite surprised because it delivered a bit quickly, And so yeah, as you can see, this was my previous deck, so it's like quite damaged. So that's why I've decided to like order a new deck, and so yeah, this is my new deck. So let's unbox it.
You look me in the eyes, and I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring at a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes, and I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want, baby, I can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love, yeah, yeah. Call me when you want, baby, I can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so wait. Set. Yeah, so basically this is it. Like I don't know, there's something inside this packet, and then this is the deck. Surprise! So yeah, basically this graffiti looks sexy, like it's very cool. Yeah, so this was my previous one, and it sucks you know, like it's very dull, and I didn't like it, so got a new one. And basically this one surprised me. Like I didn't thought I would get such a cool graffiti, but I got it, and basically thanks to Urban Monkey. So yeah, and with that gave a free grip tape. Okay, so there are these bolts and Allen key which I've got there.
I would wear roses when you speak, angel, sing from above. Every day 14. Turning into love song.
Traveling here and there for the tools and all of dismantling the skateboard. Finally, it's ready, and here is it. So wait, I'll show you the so-called cinematic shots.